So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change email on YouTube account on your mobile phone. So for that reason, first of all, you need to open up your Google Chrome and simply go with the youtube.com like that. And then you need to first, I have forgot that you need to go with the three dots on the right upper side and simply select the desktop site. It is the must case. You need to select the desktop site and then simply zoom it up like a little bit into this corner. All right, and then you will find these options like that. You need to tap on this profile icon and you will get these options. So right after that, go with the YouTube Studio. Now onto the bottom left corner, simply zoom into it and you will get the gear icon right over here. Simply tap on the gear icon and then go with the permissions from here. Now, as you can see, this is my primary email. Now I want to change this email. So how you can do that is very simple. You need to go with the invite option first and write the email that you want to change. So write it down like this. And after writing, you need to go with the access and simply go with the manager access. Now, once you have done it, you need to go with the done option right over here simply. And right after that, only 7 days required to find these. Only you need 7 days, guys, to find out the remove option here. Right beside the owner, you will get a remove option with that Gmail that you actually added recently. So just simply remove the email from here as you get the remove option here right over here and you are done. So that's how you can change email on YouTube account on your mobile phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll catch you next time.